Are you searching for the perfect dash cam that gives you both front and rear protection? In this video, I'll be showing you the top 5 REDTIGER Dash Cam front and rear models that truly deliver on quality, performance, and value. I've researched these 5 products carefully so you don't have to, and I'll break down the best features of each one. And remember, all the product links are in the description below so you can check them out anytime. Number 1. REDTIGER Dash Cam Front Rear, 4K per 2.5K Full HD Dash Camera for cars. Picture this: you're driving peacefully and suddenly someone swerves into your lane. An accident happens. Without video proof, you're stuck battling insurance claims and maybe even false accusations. That's why having a reliable dash cam is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. The problem is, most cheap dash cams fail when you need them the most. Blurry plates, poor night footage, shaky recordings. What's the point if the evidence isn't clear? And let's not forget those cameras that overheat in summer or stop working in freezing cold. That's where the REDTIGER Dash Cam Front and Rear F7N Plus changes the game. This isn't just another dash cam, it records in Ultra HD 4K at the front and 1080p at the rear, powered by a Starvis sensor. That means crystal clear details like license plates, signs, and road markings are always visible, day or night. With its 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle coverage, blind spots are drastically reduced. And yes, it even records audio so you've got extra evidence if something goes wrong. Here's the best part: you get super night vision with an f1.5 aperture lens and HDR/WDR tech that automatically adjusts exposure for clear footage in low light. The built-in Wi-Fi and REDTIGER app let you view, edit, and instantly share your recordings right from your phone. The GPS feature logs your exact route, speed, and location, perfect for accident evidence. Add in loop recording, G-sensor crash detection, 24-hour parking mode, and a super capacitor designed to handle extreme heat and cold, and you've got a dash cam that protects you around the clock. Plus, it comes with a 32GB card and a 2-year guarantee, backed by 24/7 customer support. That's peace of mind money just can't buy. Number 2. REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam Front and Rear. Imagine this: you're driving and out of nowhere someone slams on their brakes. An accident happens. You know it's not your fault, but without proof you're stuck with the bills, the stress, and maybe even a false claim. That's where having the right dash cam makes all the difference. Here's the issue: most dash cams promise clarity but fail when it matters. Grainy video, bad night vision, complicated controls, and when an accident happens you realize the footage is useless. Plus, many don't handle extreme weather or continuous recording well, leaving you unprotected when you need them most. Enter the REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dash Cam. This is not just another car camera. It records in Ultra HD 4K front and 1080p rear with a 170 degrees wide-angle front lens and 140 degrees rear lens. Thanks to HDR and WDR technology, you'll get crystal clear video day and night, even in low light. The touchscreen makes it easy to use, while hands-free voice control keeps your focus on the road. Just say the command and it locks emergency video or snaps a photo. No distractions. The benefits go beyond just video. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, you can instantly view and share your footage using the REDTIGER app. Built-in GPS logs your route, speed, and location, perfect for evidence. Features like loop recording, collision detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring mean you're protected on the road and even when your car is parked. And with a super capacitor, it's designed to survive extreme heat and cold, ensuring it works when cheaper dash cams fail. Best of all, it comes with a 128GB card included, a 2-year warranty, and 24/7 customer support. That's complete peace of mind right out of the box. Number 3. REDTIGER 4K 3-channel Dash Cam 5G Wi-Fi built-in GPS. Imagine this: you're driving late at night and suddenly someone cuts you off. An accident happens and now it's your word against theirs. But what if you had a camera that recorded everything, front, rear, and even inside your car? That's where the right dash cam can completely change the game. The truth is, most dash cams only cover the front, leaving blind spots in the rear or cabin. That means if something happens behind you or even inside, like rideshare incidents, you've got no proof. Add poor night vision and unreliable storage, and suddenly that protection you paid for doesn't actually protect you. That's why the REDTIGER F17 3-channel dash cam is such a big deal. This powerhouse records in 4K Ultra HD at the front plus 1080p at the rear and inside, giving you complete 360 degrees protection. With 150 degrees front, 160 degrees cabin, and 155 degrees rear wide angles, you'll never miss a single moment on the road. And thanks to the Starvis sensor, 4 infrared lights and WDR technology, your night drives are crystal clear. License plates, faces and details all show up perfectly even in low light. On top of that, the built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS let you instantly view, download and share footage from the REDTIGER app while tracking your speed and routes in real time. Need flexibility? You can switch between triple-channel recording or go 4K front plus 1080p rear for max detail. Parking? No worries, the time-lapse and impact detection modes keep your car under surveillance even when you're not there. And unlike cheap dash cams, this one uses a supercapacitor, built to handle extreme hot or cold weather without failing. Plus, you get a 64GB card included and after-sales support ready 24/7. The REDTIGER F17 isn't just a dash cam, it's 24/7, all-angle protection for you and your car. Number 4. REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam Front and Rear, Starvis 2 Sensor. Imagine you're driving at night and suddenly a car cuts you off. An accident happens, and now it's your word against theirs. Without proof, you could end up paying for someone else's mistake. That's why the right dash cam can literally save you thousands. The problem is, most dash cams fall short when you need them most. Grainy video that can't capture license plates, terrible night vision, or footage that doesn't even save when an impact happens. And when it comes time to prove what happened, you're left without evidence. That's where the REDTIGER F7N Pro 4K dash cam comes in. This powerful dual dash cam records an Ultra HD 4K at the front and 1080p at the rear, giving you crystal clear video that picks up critical details like plates and road signs. With 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lenses, blind spots are drastically reduced, giving you full protection on the road. What sets the F7N Pro apart is its Starvis 2 image sensor combined with HDR/WDR technology. This means superior night vision, sharper colors and reduced glare, even in tricky lighting conditions. The built-in GPS and Wi-Fi let you view, download and share footage instantly from the REDTIGER app, while also logging your speed and routes for extra evidence. And here's the real kicker. With loop recording, a G-sensor that locks footage in an accident and 24-hour parking mode, you're protected on the road and even when your car is parked. It comes with a 64GB card included and supports up to 256GB, so storage is never an issue. Installation is quick with the rotatable GPS adhesive mount, and you're backed by 18 months of warranty and 24/7 customer support. Bottom line, the REDTIGER F7N Pro isn't just a dash cam, it's complete peace of mind for every drive. Number 5. REDTIGER F77 4K plus 4K HDR Dash Cam Front and Rear. Picture this, you're driving home late at night when suddenly someone cuts you off. An accident happens and now it's your word against theirs. Without crystal clear evidence, you could end up paying the price for someone else's mistake. Here's the problem. Most dash cams don't hold up when it matters most. Grainy footage that can't capture plates, poor night vision, unreliable memory cards and clunky controls that distract you while driving. When push comes to shove, those so-called dash cams let you down. That's exactly why the REDTIGER F77 Dual 4K HDR Dash Cam is a game changer. Unlike regular cameras, it records both the front and rear of your car in true 4K at 30fps plus 4K at 30fps. And thanks to its Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors on both cameras, it delivers unmatched clarity day or night. Whether it's a dark alley or blinding headlights, HDR technology balances the light so every detail comes out sharp. And it doesn't stop there. Forget fragile memory cards. The F77 comes with a built-in 128GB eMMC storage, offering faster speeds and reliable recording so your footage never gets lost. With 12 smart voice commands and a 4-inch touchscreen, you can control everything hands-free, keeping your focus where it belongs, on the road. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS mean you can instantly download, share, and track your driving routes with ease. Plus, with 24-hour parking monitoring, your car stays protected even when you're not around. And to top it off, REDTIGER gives you a 24-month warranty and premium customer support so you're always covered. Bottom line, the F77 isn't just another dash cam, it's total driving security, packed into a sleek, smart device. And that wraps up my list of the 5 best REDTIGER dash cam front and rear products. Each of these dash cams offers solid performance and features that can make your drives safer and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest reviews, and don't forget to check the description for all the product links. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.